Hello kids, I'm Priyanka and I'm back again with my new chapter, Dear Diary. Last month, Asha visited a lot of places with her parents. Here is a description in her diary. You would enjoy it. 27 June 04. A very bad morning for me, for I had to get up very early. Mama and Daddy didn't sleep although they were packing bags and making arrangements for our journey. But today I felt they are very partial. They never wake up Bablu, my 3 years old brother. They say he will mess up things. We started for Jagdalpur at 7 o'clock in the morning. We were going to my Dadima house. In the train, I slept for 2 to 3 hours. Both Pablo and I had a lot of fun. I ate, drank, sang, played, and did everything we could. Bablu had made sure that mommy wouldn't take rest. We had our dinner in train. 29 June 04. Oh, what an experience it was of sleeping in the train. I felt as if I was sleeping in a swing. Early in the morning at 6 o'clock, a train reached Jagdalpur. Uncle and Tina auntie had come to the railway station to receive us. Dadima was waiting for us at home. We took some rest. I went with my uncle to the market. Pablo was busy with Dadima. In the evening, at about 7 o'clock, we went to visit the Chirakut waterfall. We reached there at 7 o'clock, 7:30. The waterfall was looking very beautiful. The effect of light added to its beauty. Pablo was the happiest person in the world. He was singing and clapping and not ready to come back. We returned at 10 o'clock and had our dinner. 13 June 04. I had to get up early in the morning, but later on I enjoyed the day. Daddy Ma made my favorite aloo paratha. In the morning at 9 o'clock, we started from Kangar Valley National Park. We took a taxi. My uncle arrangements to cook food there in the national park. We saw many wild animals and birds in their natural surrounding, like cheetah, nilgai, deer, wild pigeons, peacock. After lunch, we took rest and played hide and seek, badminton, and dakshari, and many more games. We also danced to tune of filmy songs. We took a guide from Kutumsar Naka. We saw that Kutumsar caves as we entered the caves. Bablu started crying as it was very dark there. He lost their sandals there. The huge shivlings and the world famous blind fishes in Shankar Kund are the attraction of the tourist. We also saw the Apsara Vihar. Bablu was the busiest person running here and there without sandals. At that time, he was holding my frock and saying, Didi, hamin bhi khilao na. On way back, we enjoyed ice cream and want to sleep. All of us wake up in the morning. After taking bath, we started for Dantewada. We enjoyed our journey very much, as on both sides of the roads there were big trees, beautiful hills. Bilal Dila and Batsa tribes in their tradition costumes added the natural beauty of that region. The climate was also cold and pleasant. The Danteshwara Ma temple is situated where the two rivers Shankani and Dankani meet. There are three buildings in the temple: the Natya Mandal, the Sabhagriha, the Grabha Griha. After offering our prayers, we returned to Jagdalpur. All of us, Anup uncle, auntie, Dadima, Subhas uncle, Swati and Shahu, enjoyed the journey in van. Really, we enjoyed a lot. In the morning, we reached our Mani Mosi house at Dongagar. All the way I was the way I slept in the van. They have a beautiful garden in their house. In the garden there was a swing and a pond. Akshat Muni Mosi's son and Bablu became friends. They spent the whole day in the garden, swinging and watching the fishes in the pond. 5 July 04. In the morning again, we got up early and went to offer our prayers to Bamileshwara Mai. There are thousand steeps. There is one more temple at the foot of hill. It is called Chotu Bamleshwari Ma. After the darshan at 9 o'clock, we returned from the temple. In the afternoon, we went to drug to our Nanima house. During dinner, all of us sat together. Bablu also wanted a plate. He went to the kitchen and bought a plate for himself. After dinner, we all sat together and talked for a long time. Bablu fell asleep while he was in Nanima's lap listening to everybody. I was very happy today. And this is written by Writers Group. Thank you.